she wasn't out here for a second. I'm about to go grab lunch. I was going to see if you wanted something.
Where are you fixing to go?
I don't know. McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, something, you know. Do you have a preference for fast food around here? Or Sonic? Or...
It doesn't matter.
No?
You're going to Chick-fil-A, just chicken sandwich, fries.
Okay. Do you like cheese ranch?
Drink.
Okay. What's your drink?
Either Coke or Pepsi.
Okay. The bossy pants is with Dad today?
Yes.
Okay. Some days she looks so worn down, and I know just from the 8 months that my last car I had did not have AC, and several places could not find the leak or the problem, so I just 8 months no AC. Just from driving around in my hot car, even with the windows down, I felt so sluggish and drained. Like, and first world problems, I mean, seriously, but the heat wears on you. And I would feel so sluggish and so drained and, like, weak. I found it harder to do a good job at my jobs, which I really hate, because I don't like not doing a good job. So I just, you know, can only imagine the way she feels just existing in the heat nonstop 24/7, not being able to escape it, and you know, the things that we take for granted when we have support systems and we have family and we have backup plans and or, you know, whatever it is. Just remember, there's a lot of things that we take for granted, and just be kind, show love, and you know, if you're a local to Fort Walton Beach and you've seen my videos, Tiffany usually hangs out over here around the Walmart. Come show her love. You know, she said that her and I got a bag, you know, the bag of clothes for her husband. She said they have enough clothes now, but they never know when they're gonna eat a meal, you know. And like her husband, he has blood pressure medication he's supposed to take he's supposed to get every month, and he's supposed to take it every day. And I gave them the last $5 they needed last week for him to get it. But sometimes he goes without that, and so there's different things like that that people could totally sponsor them for. Come out here, show them love, make sure that those needs are met along the process while we're trying to raise the money to get them in a home. And if you haven't, watch the video on her story. You know, go read the posts. Go check out the message on the Spot Fund, and give whatever you feel led to. So, yeah. Anything that we can do in the meantime while we're trying to fundraise for a house to just help lighten the load, like anything that you've thought about lately that would be like, that would be nice. Or make you feel refreshed, or, you know, just anything.
Nothing that I can think of.
Yeah.
My next thing I've got to work on getting is the canopy, because the canopy that we're under right now, one side of it is collecting water, and it's like drooping,
Mhm.
and it's ripping holes in the canopy
Okay.
top, and our bedding is getting wet.
Okay.
So I'm going to have to work on getting another one of those.
Okay.
Right now it's a small one. It's like a 10 by 10 canopy.
Mhm.